Hey everybody, it's Melissa Ballman with Life According to Mel, and today I am going to talk about two blow dryers, a Dyson and my normal dryer, and compare them so you can see what it does to my hair, how long it takes to dry, and all of that. So stay tuned and watch. Okay, so I am putting this Casablanca oil on my hair just because I have a lot of new growth, and so I'm hoping this oil, I just started using it yesterday, I'm hoping this oil will help with that new growth and kind of get it to grow faster maybe. So after getting out of the shower, I air dried for about 3 to 4 minutes while I got dressed. And then I put the towel on my head and absorbed water for another about 4 minutes while I got ready and got a few things. Now I'm going to use a velvet gelatine from Redken to put on my hair. And I'm going to set the timer on my phone to dry for 5 minutes and check back with you and see how it is. Okay, so here's the Dyson vacuum hair dryer. Set my timer for 5 minutes and go. So this is my hair after 5 minutes with the Dyson. It is almost completely dry. And actually, I would leave my hair like this and just put my water wax in there and call it good for the day. I'm gonna give it like 30 more seconds in the back and on the side just to get it a little tiny bit drier. So the thing about this Dyson is definitely, I feel, changes the texture of my hair. It just feels even more thick. So about 5.5 minutes. And like I said, at 5 minutes, I could have left my hair as is, but I just wanted to give it a little bit more dry. So I'm gonna put my water wax in for the day. Like I said, the Dyson, my hair feels much thicker with it. And it's kind of a hard texture to explain, but it's almost like there's more air or something in my hair because it just seems so much thicker and fuller after using the Dyson blow dryer. Okay, so there is my water wax in my hair. So I am done with my hair. I'm gonna get ready for the day, get my makeup on, and let's check back. Let's see it. Let's check back in 2 hours and I will take a picture of what my hair looks like. So stay tuned. I hope you're enjoying my video today. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you're alerted when a new video drops. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a comment about things you would like me to talk about or review for you. Okay, so I am using my normal blow dryer. I don't know what this is. I'll figure it out. It says Infinity Pro Conair. Anyways, so I'm using this today. Same exact thing I'm doing to my hair as with the Dyson. Same products, everything. So we'll see how long it takes. Okay, so I'm gonna run out of space on my SD card, so I'm gonna do this quick, and I might have to switch to my phone, but 5 minutes. Ready? Okay, so, get that to stop. All right, so overall, I'm actually shocked. This video might have saved me $400. I thought the Dyson was so much faster drying my hair, and it might be because I got my hair cut last week prior to doing these videos, so it's not as thick, but my hair feels as dry, maybe even slightly drier than with the Dyson. There's definitely a weight difference in the Dyson. Like, my arm is tired after using this one compared to yesterday when I used the Dyson. But I'm actually pleasantly shocked, and I may not buy the Dyson after all and spend that $400. I have extremely thick hair, so that was one concern I always had about the Dyson, is how thick and airy it made my hair feel. So if you have thin hair, it'd probably be amazing for you. But with me having thick hair, so we'll see. I have to go meet a buyer client downtown Salt Lake this morning, and then I have to meet 2 more potential sellers. So I will try my best to do a picture at the same interval as I did yesterday, but I'm actually not going to take the extra 30 seconds to dry my hair more because I don't feel like I need it. And that way, at the end of the day, so to speak, I can compare how I like my hair hours later. So I will take a picture and make sure I upload it. Okay, so there you have it. There is the comparison with my hair. I will say, when I dried my hair with my normal dryer and I said I wasn't going to take that 30 extra seconds like I did with the Dyson, I wish I had, because from the photo I can tell just the way the back of my hair was and how it was kind of wavy, that it was not all the way dry. My hair will do that when it's not all the way dry and have wave in it, whereas when I took that extra time with the Dyson, it did it. So even though to the feel it felt the same dryness, it obviously wasn't. So I would love to hear from you and tell me, what do you think? Because I'll be honest, I'm kind of undecided now if I really want to invest the money in the Dyson hair dryer, if it's really worth it, if it's only going to save me a minute or 2. So I would love to hear from you and tell me what you think I should do.